Welcome to the Allen Park Public Library. I'm Mad Dan. On April 8th, there's going to be a solar eclipse visible in the United States. Here in southeast Michigan, we are just outside of the band of totality, but we will still have quite a bit of coverage. Today, we're going to discuss how the sun, the moon, and the earth all relate to each other in space to cause this awesome stellar event. An eclipse happens when the moon gets directly between the earth and the sun. The moon is considerably smaller than the sun. Even by this representation, the moon is way too big. The sun is about 400 times the size of the moon. But the moon is incredibly close to Earth, much closer than the sun is. The optics of that allows it to block it out. The shadow of the moon is going to cut a line from Mexico up through Texas, through the center of the US, right underneath Michigan and out. You would think, with the moon being the size that it is, the band would be much wider than it is, but it's not because the moon is far away from the Earth. In pictures, it can look like the moon is maybe this far, maybe this far, maybe even this far, but in actuality, the moon is much further away than that. We're going to use the floor of the library to show you just how far if they're this size. So if the Earth is here on the floor, where's the moon? Right over here, a cool 23 feet away. I hope that this has helped show just how big space is and how incredible it is that we can watch these kind of events. Speaking of watching events, if you are in position to look at the eclipse, please be sure that you are wearing specialized protective eyewear. Looking at the sun is very dangerous. Thank you for joining us here at the Allen Park Public Library. I've been Mad Dan. Have a stellar day.